What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 4Bros Automotive, and this right here is a 2019 TRD Tacoma. So right now we're in the last step of the process. So with that being said, let's check it out. There we have it, guys, the 2019 TRD Tacoma, completely restored inside out. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the front end.
The front end looks way better than what it came. Honestly, drastic transformation. The front end at the beginning looked like it was going to have a hard time to align the parts, but basically the front bumper takes most of the front end. Going on to the side, gladly the truck didn't have any frame damage other than the exterior parts. Luckily the new fender aligned well with the hood, and the front door brackets didn't get damaged. So that helped us fasten the transformation to keep us in the budget. These rims that I got for the truck are perfect for the truck. I was going to get some aftermarket rims, but nothing is better than the original TRD rims. Going on to the rear, the camper looks super cool, giving it that unique look. Plus we replaced the old bumper caps to some paintable caps so that we color match the truck. Alright guys, so let's give you guys a quick overview of the Tacoma investments. So we got the Tacoma for roughly $13,000 and invested $400 on the door, $200 on the fender. Grill was recovered, front headlights was about $200, front bumper was about $200, lower bumper $100, lower lip $100, suspension was about $300, rims were about $600 with the 2 new tires, and also one step side was damaged, so we had to replace both, was about $200, and finally the labor and material, I assembled it myself, which came around to $500, which gives us a total of $2,800, and plus the $13,000 that the truck cost will conclude $15,800. The truck is valued around $25,000 to $35,000, so that'll bring us a chunk of profit within just one sale.
Well guys, that concludes the end of this video. If you guys do like our content, please make sure to like and subscribe so that we keep you updated with the latest videos.